Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s. Next, s to the power of 4, we have s squared to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. S ds we change by du over number 2. So this one we can create about two integrations in here. The first one that's about 1 over the square root of 9 minus u squared. And the second one, that's about the integration of u over the square root of 9 minus u squared. Now, I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to the square root of 9 minus u squared. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and this one you got about 2t dt. First derivative of u squared, you got about 2u du. Because we have the negative sign, you got about the negative in here. This one, that is about the constant. So if we do first derivative, you got about 0 in here. Later that we divide both sides by negative number 2, because we don't have negative number 2 in here. This one we change by t. U du we change by negative t dt. So I will put the negative side go outside. The integration of dt, we have t and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. Now let's go to this one. So this one we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So u equals to number 3 sine t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. The reason I need to choose about this one, if we put this one go in here, you got about 9 sine t squared, number 9. We can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t squared, we change cosine t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and du. So we put this one go in here. Du we change by this one. So this one you got about 9 sine t squared. Number 9, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t squared, we change cosine t squared. This is about trigonometric identity. The square root of 9 cosine t squared, we have 3 cosine t. And later that we simplify on numerator and denominator. The integration of dt, we got about t and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And then we got the value of t equal to r sine of u over 3. So we need to change t into this one. Now we combine the answer in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So negative with negative, you got about positive. And now about u, that is about s squared. Number 2 with number 2, you got about s to the power of 4. And this is the final answer of the question. Here is about the full answer of this integration.